I talk to you. Where your husband?
He's here.
Give her a phone. Why you not dey cry? Give her a phone.
Medicine.
Why you go take medicine now? Oh God, why you go take medicine? I tell you, say that pikin now you get time. Now friend when you come fuck your wife, now you be enemy of progress. Your friend when you come fuck your wife, now you be devil. Hello, Oga.
He tell me, say na my wife he said my wife they beg and make call the fuck her.
Now lie. Now lie. Your friend tell you say now your wife go the beg and make call the fuck her for house. Hello, my brother. Hello. Where your friend?
Mommy.
Wait, your friend not bad there with you.
She did they call her. She they call her before. She they call her. He said the man tell me. I called the man yesterday. As he called the man today, he tell me say na my wife they beg and me call the fuck her.
Oh, that lie.
Why your friend go talk this kind of thing? Your wife talk her yesterday say wait. Your Batista, Chebi you say now only 2 times your husband friend don't fuck you. Now only 2 times, Abi.
Yes.
Why you go talk her and say you go they beg and me call they fuck you every time? And my brother, that your friend are evil. Give me your your friend number. You get the number, send the number, come here, Nana. Make a call and by myself. Say your friend number come.
I will find them again.
Find now, na useless friend. Your friend, I know what you use for.
I don't know. They say they kill me, they kill me. I love my wife too much. I love her too much, my wife. I love her too much. Every month, that's the same money to her parents. Every month, that's the same money to her parents. Every month, that's the same money to her parents. I love her so much. I don't know what did I do when she called to do this kind of thing to me. I don't know. The people tell me, I don't marry a dope person. I said no. This one, that different woman. I don't know, say she they kill me, they go. My people tell me, say I don't marry a dope. I marry a dope. You see what she's going to do me. You see what she's going to do me. I beg. Oh.
Mommy, they hear them.
Wait, your husband friend, you not still go call him again after one don't settle the matter yesterday.
Nah, he they call now. After see don't go they talk like who fire. He now want that, and he get BP before. He refused to drink medicine. I just know they call him again. No, will tell you this to now. Me will tell you this to say. See what did that for to me? Believe me, you know here.
Wait, I want to your husband say, listen. Your husband said the day where your friend come fuck you, say he dey inside room, not true.
3.
Three. Oh my me go 18 in my soul. And then time okay I don't want you. Why go my go? Oh my Arela what do go yo? Hello.
Good. Hello, Mama.
Your husband said the day where your friend come fuck you, say he dey inside house that day. Not true. Not true.
My father dey house. Yes, my father dey house. Me I think they sleep. This boy they no gree call house for night. He contact me. I just phone. I no fit to say no. No fit to say no.
Oh, why not tie na ire lie me. I want to know why not fear ko ire lie me. I go when watch the video. Hello.
Something he can't do. He can't play my husband lie. Tell her lie. Hello.
Wait, that day where the man come call you, where your husband dey?
Now me and he dey sleep for inside room. Now night it happen. Now me and he dey sleep for inside room. Now this will contact me. If he tap me 2 times where they I know they know what they happen. Now what they happen? I'm not going to me say the because say the girl child what they say the girl married what the cash woman. I say you see her. Why are they making for me? I don't know. If I was to say no me I mean by myself done because what is boy then I say me first. I say me say what then I say give me to the sleep with woman.
So you want to
Mama.
Wait. No, let your body shake. Wait. You and your husband dey inside bed. If friend call you, where if talk you? Now step, I been inside hall.
No, it will carry me go passage.
He passage.
You carry me go passage. Passage, you carry me go passage. But if I don't know my access, what do I do with this for passage? Now we all do so. If you touch me, I just sleep with my husband. That's why you fall. I'm not to say no. Now you go to my husband and say, me first, and I make him do what he do. I told my husband, make him not call me again. If I make him not call me again, he's going to have a marriage. My husband will not hear me. You know they hear me. I told. My mother for Nigeria won't die. But I refuse to hear me. I don't know if I want to. I don't know they want to.
No cry.
You don't believe me.
No cry. Where the boy number? Bring the boy number. Come. Make a warner. See, you not see how people they destroy people.
I want to kill myself. I want to kill myself.
Not kill yourself. You get 4 children. Not kill yourself.
Mama, it don't make it too much for me.
Don't kill yourself. Give your husband phone. That your daughter, when your husband say he resemble the man, that daughter not resemble the man, he resemble your husband. I tell your husband yesterday, man, don't the talk say the pikin resemble the boy. He not resemble, he resemble your husband. Oh, people too wicked. You will get husband.
I don't tire. I don't feel okay.
I don't blame you, yeah? You not kill yourself. I don't blame you. You don't do your marriage not go scatter. Give your husband phone. Give your husband phone.
I don't
You don't do not cry again. Now devil walk, yeah? Your husband not go leave you. Your marriage will not scatter in the name of Jesus. Give your husband phone. And if they talk to your husband, not even the year. Oga.
You don't
you say.
You go take medicine. You take medicine.
I don't agree. I won't die.
Not die.
I won't die. I will die.
Not die.
I will die.
Not die.
Because I too love her. I too love my wife. I too love her. What she could do that kind of thing to me? She go wake up. The house when she take come up part for the man to fuck. She go use her to cook food for me and the man to eat. How I want to clear this one? How?
No.
The boy, now my house is there 24 hours. Now she the face. Now me.
Now you mess on a one and
now the man they fuck. Now the man they fuck her. Now the man they fuck her. How want to bear this one? How want to bear this one? How want to bear this one? How?
Hi. You will feel better. You will feel better. You know what will happen? When I watch, I want make people come contribute. You are made to give you advice. Advice is one no. You want make an area too. And what do calling? What do you arrange? Because then on Jenna now, who do you evaluate? They go. Can I not be on your talk? Hello, Oga. You are crying.
Give me. No. Hello, mommy. No, the man. No, all my friends. Different men. No.
How many people fuck her? How many people fuck her?
Mama, because I tell her this one now. Say she was.
Oh, I'm not calling now. Oh, what was your name? Oh, no. I want to pay a call. Hello.
Because I tell her, hello, mommy. Because I tell her, say, what did this one do to me? Now, like, let's maybe other ones. Now, don't sleep with me. She does other ones with her. No, I just only this one. I'm not feel like for their head.
Wait. May I talk to your wife? Okay, make I tell you. You know, say now your wife confessed to you. Now she confessed.
Mommy, my wife, me and my wife go there inside house. They will call her. She go enter toilet. You go snap her toto. Go send for them.
Your wife will go snap her and toto. Go give them. You get the proof?
Yeah, she go snap her toto. Go give them. Now woman be this, now wife be this, now wife be this. You go snap her toto, go give them. Then they go snap their prey, go give her.
3.
Nah, Irelani, don't make nobody don't call. Why not they do this kind of thing now? Hello?
Hello. Hello, Mama, you hear me?
Not cry again. Not cry. Your marriage will not scatter. Now that your husband friend, I be evil. He get what he take catch you. Because I see no reason why your husband dey house. When I dey inside bed, he go come touch you. Go fuck you for step. So there is God will disgrace that boy. Oga, your wife.
No be only last one.
Let me talk.
No be only last one. Tell her, no be only for house. For club. Tell her say for club. They fuck you for club.
Now it make her 2 times.
Okay, the man still fuck you for
club. Fuck me, I know. You sleep with me. Yes, Mama, we go club together. We go club with one of my friends, my neighbor, all of us go.
Fuck you.
Yes, sleep with me for now they talk, then they can be 2 times. I don't feel like to you. Then they can talk 2 times. No matter where you fuck me. If sleep with me, yes, 2 times. I don't deny her.
But the day when you follow go club, where your husband dey? As you follow go club, where your husband dey?
Yes, Mama.
Where your husband dey? Wait, because you wait get husband. I beg, I said make person never call. Make person never call. If at the time now make una dey listen to me now. Make person never call me. What's the last call? You want no matter call it. Why call if you wait? Hello.
Hello, Mommy.
What's that thing where?
Yes. It's Mommy.
Oh God.
Hello.
Your marriage will not scatter. Your marriage will never scatter. Yeah? No fear. Your marriage will not scatter. That your husband friend are evil. Now God now go disgrace him. Your marriage will never scatter. Now lie.
Because you go the corner, because you go the caller, you the caller, you go don't let they tell you lie.
The man they text me.
Because they go caller.
The man they text me. Say I be good man. They say I be good man. I be good friend. I beg. Make her forgive her. Say na my wife. Beg her make it the fuck her.
Because me I don't tell you that I say be good friend. When I don't Mama say you say what you do to me. You don't believe me for anything. You believe that your friend pass me.
But why you don't tell me from the beginning?
Because
if you believe me, why you don't tell me from the beginning?
I don't tell you from the beginning because I don't want to to happen when they happen now. That's how they say they avoid that. And they avoid what happen now may not happen. And they avoid that.
I know they talk to where. I know they talk to where. Why you go make another man fuck you for club? Then it come house again. Come they fuck you for house. When you day.
Hello.
My sister, relax your mind. Yeah? Nobody go fit scatter your home. Relax your mind. Yeah? Relax your mind. Give your husband phone. May relax his mind. Oga?
Yes, ma'am.
Not they call that your friend again. Yeah? Not call him again. Not call him because
I want to know the truth. Because she should not tell me. She not tell me the truth. That's my friend. Now tell me say now she get my last pikin. Now he tell me say when he get the belly for my last pikin, he say my wife call her. So I say he don't get belly for him. Oh. I want to do. This pikin when I show you send the pictures for you yesterday. Now my mama name now give her. I love the pikin too much. I don't know say na another person born the pikin. The man tell me say na he get the pikin.
Not mad the man, not being get her. Not being get the pikin. Not being get the pikin. That pikin na your pikin. May person not come destroy this beautiful marriage. Oh, see how people they wicked. God, why? God, why?
Oh,
Why?
thank you. Mommy,
Oh,
thank you.
God, why?
Mommy,
Why
thank
people are
you.
so wicked like this?
Mommy, thank you.
Why? That's the
Mommy,
way get
thank
husband, get
you.
children.
Uh,
Why friend be like
He
this?
no get
Why?
anything. He no get anything. Na me dey feed am. The boy, if you wake up in the morning, if they come my house, na me go give, my wife go cook food.
That
Where
your
go
friend, na
eat?
evil.
In the night, na my wife go eat. Yeah.
Aye,
If
your
they fuck
friend
my
na
wife,
evil.
I-
Your friend na
if
evil.
I come out go store, if I go supermarket, my wife will come say, Daddy, where you dey? You don't dey call house. Where you don't dey call house? You don't near house. I don't say now you won't know whether I don't reach house. Make me I no call cash them. He go they call me. You don't reach store. You don't do this. You don't do that. Make I no call cash them. Are you hearing me?
Okay, your wife go dey control you. If you go out, just to okay.
That she will tell me say she need this, need that for store. Make I go. I go go. I go go as a foolish man. I go dey go.
I want only the way when I don't know what I see, what I see. I was just because I'm not making the
Why they control me?
I'm not going to call you for food.
You dey control me, but you dey control me. Make I know whether the man don't come. Whether the man dey fuck you. Make no call catch us.
Hello, my brother. You see, I say you give me respect yesterday. You call me, I advise you. You send me your daughter picture. I said that this daughter not resemble your friend. Now you resemble. So make you not let your friend kill you or make go carry your wife at class. So stay away from that your evil friend. Collect your wife back. Love her back. She said she will never do it again. And she's not going to do it again. Forgive her.
That's all true. She tell me like that. She tell me say that true. She said she do am, but she no go ever do am again. The thing, he dey hit me for chest. He hit me for chest. I be man. He dey hit me for chest, but she dey beg me say she no go ever do am again. He dey hit me for chest. I be man. You be woman. She be woman. You don't know. Say man love woman. I love her every month. Every month, now they send money for her parents. Every month, they send money for her parents.
I never tell you you not love me. I never talk. I don't think you love me. I never talk like that.
They are waiting there to go the fuck.
I don't know, now, devil. I know none of me tell you what you do to me before you know. You don't know. Let me tell you with my mouth. You don't know before.
That's what you supposed to
Let me tell you what you do
now
to me.
she do some man tell you, not be you catch her. You supposed to forgive her. This is the reason why many women don't want to tell their husband what they do. Now she do some man tell you say your friend fuck her. Ah, you supposed to
Mommy.
be yes.
You don't know who I be. You don't know. You don't know. That makes you talk to. Because it don't take when I dey ask her. Because the thing tell me for dream. God tell me for dream. She the man before her. I don't disturb her tire. Say na lie. Say the man no fuck her. It don't take. You don't know who I be. You don't know. If you know, you don't talk like that. My mama will born me. If me and mama for village, if me and mama they go farm, if we dey work out for road, for farm, if we dey work out for road, I'll say, mama, this man you don't die you. Don't die you. Mama will close my eyes. Say, well, close my mouth. So I will talk like that. Before me and mama go return from farm, before me and mama go return from farm, we go to hear cry for the person house. Say the man don't die you, don't die you. Me I don't tell my mama since morning. Many things. It gets God. I be special person.
I know.
It is in a clear eye. It is in a clear eye. She said tell me. It is in a clear eye. She said tell me.
Forgive her now. Yeah? She will never do it again.
She said tell me. I tell she know wetin I be. She know all wetin she dey do. All wetin she dey do, I dey tell her. She dey tell me, she know they hide everything for me. No be only this boy, you. Many Asian people, many. Waiting. That's so woman they be.
Oh, Salobua. Huh. Hello, my brother. You don't do yeah. You know what go happen? Send me your friend number. This your friend will cause problems, so. Yeah, send me your
Mama,
friend
I don't
number.
delete her from what I know I was again. I don't delete her off my phone just now. I know for not delete her.
Okay, not that your husband phone.
At least no, my phone now is I delete her at just now.
My brother, you don't do, yeah? You don't do. Not allow devil to scatter your home. You don't do. My sister, you are from where?
You hit me, oh.
You don't do.
You
Yeah?
hit me for chest.
You don't do. You don't do. I
don't know what I do.
I don't say no easy.
Nothing what she needs. Nothing for this line. Nothing where we did. That she be the best woman. Nothing what she needs. When I will.
You show for her body. You show for her body so you take care of her.
Every day, every month. Like she dey. Oh. Every year, every month, now they send money, make them send African clothes for her. It's like that small clothes I show for you to do.
Everybody they beg you. Everybody they beg you, may you forgive her. Everybody here, our grandmother when they food this program, they beg you say may you forgive her. You get one man now wait 92 years. You don't send me message. You say may you forgive your wife. Forgive him. Yeah? You say may you take your wife back. Oh, now they watch me. My sister, now they watch me. I want to make people talk to your husband. Now they watch me. Now they watch.
Yes, mommy. Yes, they watch.
I put the video for television, so people want to contribute. Yeah, they want to give your husband advice. Now who get wife?
Yes, I did.
Now who get wife? Now you get pikin. So not be the friend get the pikin. Now you get her. The small girl now last born.
Na my last born, Nana called, she's 5 years, she's a bonus finish. She's there, I know if you get the leg gay.
As you want the girl finish, now you know if you go again. The time when you meet
she's there, I call the friend, she's 5 years. She's 5 years, and I call the friend to keep picking over the door. I call boy, I get. About another question, I mean, not going to be only one boy. I can't try, no work. And this prayer point. What is called 3 water? Now I can't get belly. My belly now they go 5 hours now. I can't talk about I can't give.
My sister, you are from where? My sister, you are from where? You are from where? Eh?
I'm from Esha, Mama.
Okay, Esha. You be my sister. Your husband is from where? Your husband is
from River State. From River State.
Okay, your husband is from River State. Now, good man, you marry. Eh?
Yes, from River State.
Now, for better, for worse. Yeah, you don't do. Men now they watch us. Make a pick another people call. Okay.
Okay.
My brother, relax your mind. Okay. No fear. You and your wife. Don't allow the devil to scatter you and your wife. Yeah? My brother. He don't do. Not
I love her too much. I love her too much. She disappoints me.
Sorry.
She disappoints me.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Yeah, I beg. Forgive her. I use the name of God, beg you. Yeah, forgive her. Because she don't already get 4 children.
She go born another pikin. She go born another pikin join for me. Why?
Where not tie ne meta ma we no tie. Ubage wi fia won edi ma oni pike. Ah. What it? You mega mo wa we no wa call.
Hello.
Hello my brother. I beg you don't do I beg. I beg, forgive your wife. Find a place in your heart to forgive her. Please. That pikin now you get her. Yeah? Now you get that pikin. No fear. No fear. No, that your friend are evil. You need to run away from him.
They might tell me to say when she get a blessed night, hey, she
they see lie where they lie because if they call lie, they lie they give you. I think it's not something you know. I said she's when it I tell her say I get belly, I'm not calling her. He call me say I dey sick, where I dey sick, I dey sick. Then I say I get belly, I get belly, I dey sick. I don't say the bikini. I tell her I get belly. Yes, I tell her. I don't say the bikini. Oh, because say me I say the bikini. Oh, because he call her tomorrow, go see another one. They call her 6 Q. I think that's what happened. What your friend do to me? Because they against me. No problem.
It don't do. You will not lose your marriage. That your friend, you want to make your husband go so that he go come enter your life. But God will disgrace him. Yeah? No fear. Tomorrow, me two of you call me. Tomorrow morning. Yeah? My sister, say I don't.
Okay, what time I will take off?
Tomorrow I'm from 10:30.
Okay, I'll call you.
Okay.
I'll call you. Thank you.
Hello, God bless you. Hi, hello.
God bless you, mommy. You're
God bless you. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling Asia, Indonesia.
Indonesia. Where is Indonesia?
That's in Asia, very close to China.
Okay, God bless you. Hello? Oh my God.
My wife are talking. I want the only thing I want to say, I don't want to talk too much. The husband is calling the man. The wife deleted the number from her phone. So the husband still have the number. If they can give you that number, you get across to that man.
Yes.
Then it is very easy to settle this problem.
Tina. Okay, sir.
The husband.
Okay. God bless you. My sister, bros, send me your friend number. Now, waiting I ask be this. Send me your friend number. Make me call him by myself. Home destroyer. I see you not get beautiful wife. You know, say they jealous you.
Hello, mommy.
Hello, Saiti.
Hello, mom. Saiti, mommy. Mommy, you are talk by.
Yes,
mommy, I took me or see money not here, but from Indonesia. What that?
Okay.
Una, because
3.
You are a great woman. Where even while in the zona, a mama guacana, a future cara, or money. The boy in that time, getting you on your money. Now do I drag a money where I send because of who know it is your back, we will bet. I are who every step. And what am I when I see him?
You only say,
Okubiano, Otalobo, I buy.
He only say, Naomi, I'm making answer too.
All right.
Naomi, I'm making answer too.
I didn't because what a laugh at one kind of because another matter with my mom is that when I come away the LAS, you're getting your money. That's one thing. No come here. I mean, I call you away.
Okay.
Something will come. When I always have him, I do a cook here. What's okay to pay my bill again on your money? Or see what about you what am I? Because I want not this is the life. And in one what boy, you need that boy number.
When you have your number, send me the boy number.
Because we want
Because if you never talk to her, that boy not go get sense. Now so your husband, you go to put fire, they put fire. Send me the man number, my sister, Nana. The man number.
Because woman am no be.
Yeah.
Ani agba ule, o ki ate ya mada fun e. Ano da fun e ma de gbe abon o pe anu ni amo mi o kekere ma ate mata. O kekere ma ate mata ma we na etin.
No man no kolo you na me gbege.
Maybe wa wu wo wa itori. Itori me wa wu wo wa. O ko ma we gba wa de be. We respect. Wo wa. Itori ma we because o pe no here e. O bi ojo we da. Ibi drop. Go mommy. We no ya we test of money. Omo ko ni no we e body we obi e. Na ya na ka ya the truth no ro wona emi ni. Obi I'm telling you.
Okay.
That you want mommy only come out.
Come, let's see.
Okay.
My sister, send me the number. Send the number. Because I will the number me. Other for what? That's here. Oh, I'm yare. Oh, more what you said so. Send him the number. Hello.
Hello, mommy. You are talking, Mary.
He said, "Oh, sighting where am I?" Hi.
Bonjour. Oh. Don't no go by if you need one you. Well, by you know, when I got you, I told you, Piani, I bought more my drink. I want to run a reverend father. Oh, when you went on to Bobby, you know what's over.
Oh, no.
Mommy, the area winning, or yet do my I told you, I bought more my drink. And then one more money, what of them is one of you going to look for this. And they are winning. Come on, in the one time I will believe in me. Or in a row, you know, that is you one. Always say, only walk away, then he is a Ladiana. I thought I go for pound. Only we are getting a good one, say, oh, you walk for me. So then it's banning. And then no time is back. I told you, I walk with pound. No, Yanni won't get a local warrior, but look, I have come with your my feet. I'm waiting on my beard. The truth of the matter one, as you always go boy you way. So what was it?
Go outside somewhere.
Hello, mommy, you're a top man.
He said outside somewhere.
No, mommy. A topic now, in fact, the one woman you will bet. I didn't want me to be a name. In a royal or Zimbabwe. In a royal. Because red land is not there, where red land was a matana. But I see like red matter, my for very only. And the way I can away DNA test, number one. And number two, what of Kwoni, what of be wet, a book behind me. And the red man imagine of Zimbabwe, mommy, or Zimbabwe. That is too much for him. Now the million lie because I don't pray that prayer for that man or that woman. When it contributes to your 1 year DNA test, you can't allow your come on me.
Go outside somewhere. What got suffer job? My sister, send me the number. I never see the boy number. Send the boy number, make I call the boy. If you not send the boy number, come. I'm not going to talk for this matter.
Mommy,
send me the boy number. He said, Jenokwa.
Now, Luema, you know. Mammy, I'm going to call you. Only a call. Now, do me what we for life. Mommy, you're an island or settle with live video. Now, one. An island or settle with live video. One. Now, go. And you got time, I want to walk out of here, Johnny. I take a decision, Baba. Send nobody. And nobody on said there. I know a boy in the after a very jack book only one. Or plan of the hotel. When we go to Lama, just laugh. Everybody was a man. Even I walk for that. One. What far I think to say your Calubia here where Ocalaba Minister Mount in one society.
Hello, God bless you. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Mama Domo. Mama, a platform where I only a court. Umara Sandi, when I have Yemata. So, to Jaru Pa Turia, in the sense that we won't dollar why I would follow woman. Umara San. A case in now. Or who be walking in our time sending now or this on a very or because you know no TV on a very loud way. Wa Colossi man, enjoy so quick one. No, Umara Sandi, why because it is not tell us my way. Okay, make we back. They know what we boy the why we or 6 time or 6 passing. Okay, I keep more clubby. Okulaya 30. No, yeah, the clubby. Honor retire your way. Mama, come on. A matter if I need or TV.
The problem is I can't imegbe na mori ori o to ti make ne but you understand ya gbegbe wa yen va na ka ori ori o to ne
kakabo obeji maybe buru koto na do be we na ata egeni meti ko tulawe ovie to mahin umara san di mi te gunwe na ati ta no umara san uni me ni keni o ma de pa yi emi ro paro mama wa lawe ti mata emi ro no dani do ya no do ya kan I'm telling you the truth. Why am I no ro una lawe ti bu mama keni akewe afa wo da fu ewe e pa opeto o si o eni arugun e ni akoli you don't enter motor you don't come down you don't do this one or you be all monitor Mama Sandi, so mama e matter na di I'm telling you the truth every now corner all money why you obi ke muwe in ya we DNA is very very important Mama Sandi, so owo piani obiani okeke na ogun na iyan obiani try di mani obi edono nke ni wa be oro nu that is the truth this year dono mama I'm telling you when we know to know that obiani na very nice man very nice man
you are me
we are all we are we are supposed to get friend who work kan egbe yi mani obia amawo okuno pie nu wele ogun fe nu we bi o garant wa we biva mama that man a very nice man no na you take care easy
nice
you know
nice.
A very nice man mama I'm telling you the truth
Here kwa bin ogwe no de here kwa supermarket so that was supermarket ara sin yen pagbe
so mama I'm here ni to dolota tamewo na honor ki we be na ije ko platform na to rebo Umara Sandi na mi we bi ma yo ni Santa ge ni we no pay mawe outside a program ina won wa gele mu diane we no pay mawe wa gan kole bo ni oyo o uzole bo ni ota Umara ton bi to ge mawe aju bi mama na you know obi temata wa bi mama so no ni de mai
wese he Jimmy hello God bless you you said to where am
Mama yere atokbe
say
ba atokbe
say
igi maka no ro to na we odon ame na ni mu ale la wo je ni yi ma pata ma mata na o ri bi ka ye wo se te wo wa kede de ade ru ayo se te wa ko so ti ma no ko na o wo ba fi ba go bo je no bunde ni to ya na o ri oyi na me we no han do ve eyin na ku ma wa we in o ba no so nu we we gba le no be the other friend of we o si wa ba wa ye e ma ni awe gbe ya ni jo e no ka ma wo ko na we o mo ni yin nya e ro ye be ta de ma na la wo wo je e no ami no bu ya na u ti e ri eke
uno tafe uchu una uno tafe owo ko bien ye mo uno ko na tafe no una wo bia na o balo no kwa no o bia ni zin gbe na do mewe e mata na o na ogbegbe wa no bia ni ogbegbe wa zero aworan wa no le wo ko na o na mewe na adu ya age wo da o no sun se ke mata na yeke onu biari ade nu ko ri ade dini ana wa sin egbe ni esin gbe so da nu gbe ni àwọn pc ta do ga ara agbon de ri yo ye ba na ro pa agbogbo so gbe nu ku a ru ede nu gbe ni ajo ba lo ni re o ti do gboko na wa yo ba o iwe ni to gbe gbegbe e wa láwòye mata na wo ku ti gbe ni ade no ba re nu ti gbe ni bi yeke no ta se o ri live video na we wa ti gbe na yo gbe na expose ri ate ni so na no mai ka ma wa Ogani ke doka we yon nyamo. Ko no ko le na. O gani ko le we wo sunu ogun yan ma rin yan ma. O ye na me ko gbe la na yin panic. Na doka we yon mo ko we do no ba ko we. Wo ya sunu we. E na ka video ni forward ni review the secret ma wu yen. Ile la wo o ti manu ko na wa yi ti e to ta. Nu no ka se ze ri. O ma yi te won ta fo e fi egbe e na wu yen o. Wa wu yan gbegbe wa. Well, there are women of Janet or no, I will be wa. La would be only in Unita, society wedding. A matter and I know I will conclude the live video with the love who were mount.
Hello.
Hello, come on me.
Eh, sighting wedge.
Come on, mommy, you are so bad.
Wow, John. Nigga get more Italian now. Oh, John.
Okay.
There you go. Hello from Italy.
Hello, mommy. Good evening, ma.
God bless.
Thank you, well, mommy. Thank you, well, mommy.
Mommy,
my contribution.
Wait, my sister, 1 minute. Me take with you a sign here where Ohono Biani Mamugo Joe. Iya say, go be a way a few where Joe or Ira Lelo Mave. That automatic or only woo. Me carry me none who knew we sank back with Paris. We ibi sana go bia rowa iyen le look bia we yan le look bia wa gu that in call ye we yan hello gwan.
Hello mommy, mommy wetin I want try to contribute. You know say you be our mother, so I know the help when you don't help many people for here because to do DNA test now, even the one when they belle they fit do DNA test, so 1,000 will reach for the two. May they all go carry the two go. May they all do DNA test. May that man get rest of mind.
No, the man say what
so more try to contribute money. More give the man 1,000, 5,000. They say they do each DNA test. So that make that man get rest of mind. If we can see help for this, the man will see the marriage will work. If this man no say now these children are you, he go forgive this woman. So if we do that one for her, it will be great. Thank you, mommy.
God bless you.
Amen.
Hello. Well, they tell me happy, ne? Okay, they sapo. I give me one. You got me where there is no help again this year. Why you not do a pull more well there? No more help this year. If anybody need help, now next year. This year is over. Then I do after me happy. I was once and a bag me what my daddy. Hello, God bless you.
Hello, come on, me, mommy, you're not talking.
This
come on, me. Monday, my time on the road when you contribute to you. They try to WhatsApp you or they busy. Now when you call it direct, la wo mommy, me no when on the video. Matana mommy, when they I know one call it back higher. Boy, in the papa because the day when I night, I'm in Nigeria, where then yes, I believe in our. So the day where only have to soon die. Now we go, no carbon no a boy, not the boy me. That's a one is that number. So what the boy who's made the boss, and I am here where the boss say matter when no for so the mommy. Sorry to say, why when you have a because they didn't mean another yard belly go out of it. Yeah, that's a free. But I'm here when no young old down way no only came out where boy I will be okay. But you can settle the money. I will wear the only year because the funny way I am in one point. Cow and the period and none in Nigeria. Cow witness saying, come on.
A matter now, what girl, where you more forget this matter. Everybody know.
Hello, mommy.
Hello, what girl, where you I want to want you. It's okay like this.
Express me here some mommy, we know they have to know mommy. And you ask that no give a sense no. Hello, when it's a mommy.
Let's get 2 minutes.
Okay. After I say no Jerewo, yeah, go your Jerewo money. Amana you ya same boy ni we onyamo e boy ni esi me ni la ja umuta. What a plan. When I am when I was the LSS. If not one e boy ni onyamo. Oh, he onyamo. E no e be ya ka through da be so re luga o e boy ma o re wo wa ne o wa le na gume ro wa ni masunu on a separation wa be ma be ero we separate. A problem in a kejere. Oh, friend, the friend, and my take back, and my brother, but the come back in and take it. What understand? Now we are here, ma. On our talk, the massacre, or bear fire, a mass, a mother around in it. I come in here, ama. A problem not one, no. A DNA or Dr. Berker, do I wear one more guy, or Melgie or here. Oh, you can say 7 years. Oh, yeah, go and no more serious. What understand? And no, mommy, I don't make a rain, that's. GNSS, when I was GNSS, we can't GNSS. A problem in our phone, a boy not no mania war, no one for Guinea. You would not do for no mania war. Only I see our see. So bring back up a separation, so make sure we peace. We happiness here, near mini. Rujero money. What are the mommy? A GNSS, when I want to go on, GNSS, when that way, a money. When I was on our cost, so that I make an hour near for free. If not all over, as on a represent, now the problem I have to mommy, and get me already a bit. I go here to one more, a boy, I'm more this year. A boy, one more, we want to fuck you with. They can avoid your war, but maybe they're going to mommy. Maniko, Mamma Radio, if the man, I will a don't know. That's the man make one of them on me. Hello.
A bewa woman, call outside.
The man gonna jam, I go, sit your weather with your women. He would say for many years, or no boy, I'm not going to the banner. And the man gonna jail, 1 year of a night. Really, what a man, let's go to that. Oh, we are here, let's go to that. Let's go to that. Oh, 1 hour wages. Oh, Sophia will do a fucking where they pass it. And everybody them on me. I want about when I see it. I want money, no, in our college. When you have money at your cost, now you are proven or you're more. So now make an hour DNA test. Which is that? All the whole, probably 20 years to come. I don't have forward so. And now, I see separation near us last. Oh, no, just strong if we are again. Oh, man, I'm mommy, that.
Hello from London. Hello. Hey, pardon.
Hello.
It's a Domosa.
Hey, what do Mommy talk back?
It's a what on?
About the manga. Now, you know, when you go in,
okay.
Because where the Lara nothing, Granny Kinoko, Vanessing Yagmo, and now, boy, One of back from my film called Madame Yari, no devil, cast, who are telling Satan and other Facebook. Who really well when I want kind of yourself where the near your money, a castle thing in Edo sign, a macasan, Monica. So, meaning to say, a boy not a county, a clean man, a mirror on again in my ground for boom, when a bodily time, however. Say, not an also I'm wearing here live with it. No, we have one, because a boy any carbon love again, a really gay love it. The at last, or Maca love and love it, because I might live one at this. Where do you beg what that follow the in your car, you know that. Tell the left. Oh, your brother, is six of you and on your car, and carry your so the big. Then why have we got anyone? No forgive, no forget. I mean, we never DNA. A civil partner, my young, young, I want to borrow the team, your mom. Oh, yeah, big bear, and I could try. When they born in mine, we are with DNA. we no vie mo lawa in caso no tie no do sign your mo e am ni abeg o ka ya via Facebook no we na do tie do sign your mo o we ba ya you na we do to we na me e we na we do sign your mo na wish me something institution by the get na ita ma ne ene do yele wo mo ni ke o ni mo yele ta ma ita we no te we this was sign your money never made a mistake mana me comment never made a mistake no more we am we waro no obvious no more e pe pa ye na so they made that mistake I no your man no koko mo we o ero mo we go you should know that
you know your friend
your friend
with the DJ
the boy made a mistake. Oh yeah, no do all the stuff biologically. We no forget it, we no forget, we no continue that. That guy is a bad guy. Every guy, he laugh all do it.
Because somebody they talk. Epa, may you cut her. I they talk with the brother. Okay? I'm not bagay come. Nobody should come. Make her talk with her. So as they bring the case, come now.
3.
Benam, Abi, you don't know me. Okay, they watch me now on YouTube. Okay, now me, my brother, God will bless you. For you to respect me, me too, I respect you. Yeah? Because this matter now, it don't, since yesterday, now it reached my hand. So now I can say, make you give me your telephone number. Make I really confirm. Because the way the girl here explain her, and he husband say you tell her say when the girl taking, the girl call you, tell you say she get belle. Not true. Now the man with the lady, two of them they license. You see how? Because your friend say he want die. Now make I say may not die. Say nothing way. I don't know what I want to talk anyway. I want to hear from you first. No. If you like, watch me now. I'm not put her for speaker. Unless now you permit me to put it on speaker. Okay. It don't reach 4 years when did it happen. Yes. Please, can I put it on speaker so that because the whole world already know the matter, may they still hear from you. Because we always say a bad friend now you be, so that you can talk your mind. Nothing where person never see before. If you they follow me, you go see say matter we don't pass this one. We don't see settle because your friend they listen. He say he want kill himself. I just want to make you talk and put in mind down. You know what they try to talk. Make her put her for speaker. Yeah. Okay.
Well, waiting there, say me, I know we go to talk other things where the woman no talk out. And make I respect her, make her.
But the girl say now you tell her, now you tell the husband say you tell her say now you get that their last born. Not true.
Wait, listen at the. I know say you don't put the phone for loudspeaker now.
Yes, we want really know.
I know say
now you two get her. Now you two get her. I beg my brother, tell us the truth. I beg.
My sister, I beg. Waiting there for Pekin. Now woman, I know who get Pekin.
Okay.
You understand? The day when this man call me, he talk waiting in talk. Me, I like won't deny say I don't do anything like I waiting happen for long time ago.
Okay.
Not knowing say I don't know what happened between the two. The woman come open up to Ram. So I was like, oh, who tell you say this thing happened between me and your woman? Give your woman phone. She's inside her woman. So the woman like tell me, say, yeah, say she don't tell her what thing happen. So me myself, I got to like say, okay, fine, this thing happened, but a mistake. A mistake, it happen. You understand? A mistake if this thing happen because me myself, I don't believe, I don't be that kind of person who live that kind of life. And the woman, I don't see her that kind of person maybe where they work out about. You understand? So when the thing happened, I explained to the man, yeah, this thing happened now, so it take happen now, so it take happen. No. But I did sorry. I tell the man, say, if you notice doing that, me, I stopped to call your place. You don't know the reason why I stopped to call your place. They ask me, say, call my friend, why you know they call my place? I say, maybe I walk, I make up, but I avoid this thing, no, they go on. You understand? Me, I just withdraw because I know say that thing I will continue. I withdraw myself because I know they live that kind of life.
But you not tell your friend though, say now you get the pikin. My brother, they listen.
I never. How I go come out, tell and say, let me get. I only tell and say, see you when this thing happen because I don't know. Me, are they confused? I don't know what they don't talk before this thing come outside. You understand? So now the man, when the man talk, I say, okay, when this thing happen, she later come tell me say she get belly. Yes, she tell me say she get belly. So for woman to come to tell me say she get belly. So I was like, oh, you get belly for me, or I know even because the thing they sound somehow, it sounds like say I dream. It be like you get belly. How? I know.
Excuse me, sir. When she tell you say you get belly, you ask her say you get belly for who? Now me, I be na your husband. You ask her.
The way she take talk and she like they tell me say na me give am belly.
Na joke it dey. Na joke. That pikin not be you get her. Nah, the pikin.
My dad, me no they go claim anybody pikin. Even when the man they talk, I don't say no be me get pikin. Now you get pikin.
Okay. You see how God.
I tell the man say no be me get pikin. Now you get pikin. I tell the man say okay, if your mind no accept, you go do test. Me, I know they can't drag any pikin with you. You only ask me question, I tell you what thing happen between our two. You say, make I tell you two what thing happen, I tell you. You now they insist, they tell me say pikin. I say, why I go come, why nothing concern me concern pikin? Why they ask me your own pikin? You they tell me say, let me get pikin. I say, how I go take get pikin? I tell I say pikin, I need pikin.
Okay, you the yara now. Wait, so you want that? You want?
And they tell the man say na him get pikin. The man they insist say as far as say me and I do that thing, and she tell me say she get na pikin na my wife. I say oga, no be me get, na you get. The man like they force me. It's like say they force me make I accept. Yeah, na me. I don't even know say the man don't carry this matter reach here. I tell her, I beg her, say, okay, maybe this matter just end as we talk am. Make it finish like that. He tell me say, oh, you no go tell, say you no go carry and go out. I'm not knowing say you don't even carry and reach that place. Hello?
Hello. Nah, no vessel. Now, true, say the woman they sleep with her husband for inside bed. You can't knock and you can't call and go step. Not true.
But why, which kind of talk with that one? How me go come do that kind of thing? How? You see, man, no verse. You know, say, me now, you get a lot of things where we say if I talk now. You know, which me, I know just one, since they no talk go that side, maybe if I talk now, go, the thing now will come bust, you come, so, me, I don't make a no talk. You understand? Because now they only ask the man only ask me, oh, whether this thing when your wife talks to me we can do, we do. I say yes, but my mistake. Are they sorry? I know expect this thing will come out after 4 years or 5 years. To show you, say me, I know they live that kind of life. I avoid, I run, I know they call your place again. I just withdraw myself that time. The man tell me, say, yeah, in notice. Say, he get time when I stop, they come. He come, they tell me, say, why I know they come again.
Oga, you the hear now. Very simple matter. Now you just go they panic, you want die. See what your friend they talk now. You see, why you want to kill yourself? 5 years ago, now the thing happened. Say you run away from your wife. You know what made that mistake happen again. Pikin, now you get on. The pikin resemble you. So love your wife back. Wetin I dey look for, I don't get am. Now I want make it talk. Now you don't talk public, you don't hear am. So my brother, God will bless you. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Una hear am now. Yes, Ogelewe, but Okpeni. A man, you will be a zolota. Ah, it still fuck my wife. How many HR boy you see say fuck your wife? Not be you catch him. As the girl don't they do prayer points, now he confess. Because I mean they tell them for you say, if they know say they do something, make they confess to their husband and make una forgive them. Now he don't confess to you now. You say you want to kill yourself. Kill yourself for what? After having 4 children for you. It's any more speaker. I'm not tired and I want no. Okay, now what said to him? Every time even time I have a lot of call to receive. I don't have time nowadays. I don't have time. Don't have time at all. Can't carry this matter. I can't spend 1 hour on a day. I'm not fit. If anybody want to talk with me, 2 minutes is okay. I don't have time. This time, oh, I'm a last speaker. It's only my speaker. Hello. I'm a last speaker, man. Hello.
Hello, mommy.
Hello, God bless you. Go side to where? You the lawyer side. Who they talk?
Ma'am.
Huh?
Mommy from Germany. I don't know her.
Okay, now you that my wife?
No.
Okay, I dey listen.
Mommy, what I want to tell you in this matter, I'm sorry to I call, but they bother me, but what I want to talk. I know that man is feel bad because the friend sleep with your wife. So even if not 10 years or 20 years, mama, it's wrong.
I don't want to put fire. I don't want to put fire. Everybody knows, say yes, it's wrong. Everybody know. But could they put fire, put kerosene, put enemy, make one bunny? I don't need that kind of a thing. Waiting I need, I want me the marriage come back again. Okay? Everybody knows say it's bad. Even if now 100 years time is bad. But we don't need that now. All we need now to pray for the marriage, make it be number 1. I be you notice I be mumu. I not be mumu, eh? I know what I did do. I know what made this marriage scatter. Now stand for. So anybody when no one understand this problem, don't come. I don't want to make anybody blame the woman or you blame the enemy. It's over. Hello?
Hello.
Hello, God bless you, Saba Wesi.
Yeah, you're at talk, babe.
It's what's Orami from London.
Yeah, la, Waro Tona,
Having an Italo because Serena 4 years ago or soon a diamond at Wariat, your Ebiniwa Bewo, Nerunia. Your family, your sorry, Yahami Guavino, Yahweh, Dollar, that Lord Doma they talk. A man on Sigbo, it will not see only warrior. Ebinawu for 4 years ago, a bold Wariat, your John Nerunia, Nifuana, blah, 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 as the GI. That is the only thing you can come away. God bless you.
Bless you, sir. Because Emi Igaru no never yana, Gualemina to Ejo. Why me, why my program na? Why na? I was Zazawa, but see, because a marriage and or Yegbe. So Ima no Zaga. Ne demand forgive. I can't forgive up your beer you. So when it learn, you forgive ye. We're not forgiving. Ima boyeko.
3.
Me I evaluate ke na metiko komo. Hello. Okay, what do I call it? What do I nyanya jo megwa le gboni. Awa. Igwalon wa nyanya jo. I want to settle this marriage for better for worse. That we stay together in the name of Jesus Christ. Hello.
Hello, come on me.
Eu sai tu.
Sati we from Italy. Mo sende no benika ogive media. So yakbe ne segunu leru jo.
Ugari picture ni ka ona ya kan gbe we talk about sinu e. Let you say no quality ni ka o site we.
It's giving me na we know there. So ma vivi me mana ina maro work ma. So na we vade ba ya. Ba na ma se me mara. So, mina read the two, you know, to. So, maybe the between the woman now in America, no, now come on away. The man may view with the Maja. You so is that well, you know, I do am with woman when is the year where you're. Woman, okay? Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okwoga fio wedo asebe ku efo what matter? Oko na fio we you na ye mistake fio we you asebe fia o ba ya ku efo again na what that when omaga izibane egi oriyo egiri oto
6
oriyo egiri oto okbi okwo ipe eva na wiyan eko gala o iya ametobo minds owu ye ma de Peter nyan owa bi mana mu eko na niye o sunu na we ami owi okan o kera eni je wu ye be mune ije no pia so no wala wo eta ma ekenemerie agmoya ekenemerie beta ma kene marriage na pa wa go saloba Georgian wa gi ma try go be ma as a human being. I really love the page now ga no be they think no go they think we are here avia la do we be big man yakin so ma only marriage na pa wa gaja bian a wi ko me no feel where you are do a ohun ya ye jabian oye jabian so pa na ga igwere gbe we no ga o ka o no ga o keke o le mi pa ni me be ro hello wa lo wa o to hello we
God bless you. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hello, Omane. Hello. Okay, come, mommy. You want me to well, since then, what even a 3 weeks away. You were, but yes, you may stand here comment. Then you want me to when I will call you. God bless you. I really miss you. I love you. I miss you. God continue to be with you. God continue to strengthen you. Continue to uphold you. You will not fail. You will not fall.
Amen. The marriage will be okay.
Can we say contribute but
mayo na wanyanya jowe mi no ko na uma na wa ka beti ma we zebo ya kana gwa mi na mami eje
that we your mommy can go from my only me yes na after me after was that when I'm going after see when around the parents now because of that they will have to forgive one another, especially the man. Even also known for some time of Birane.
Salopa where they are both alive. And the woman too, although Guan, she came out, her conscience is speaking and she came out. So that's enough. What if she doesn't say it? So I just think, my brother, if you are listening to me, it's not easy. Other men are saying it. It's very painful, we know. But you too, you have your fault. So you have to let it go. The woman too, you have to let it go. Forgive. Come back to your home. That first love, Waka and me. You should try and relocate it, and so that God will help you establish that home. God does not support divorce. It's not, this is our prayer line. We are also Saloban, always worldly one. So when you divorce, no. There is nothing. As far as the man said he still love her, he should not be bothering himself like that. He should just let it go. Because okay. Do you know the character on the camera? I be the woman when I am a do you know the character the man of Kenya? So it's just we should always try and forgive one. It's difficult, but we should try and forgive one another. So God will help us. God will continue to give us the grace to be able to live in this life. The life itself is not easy. It's a grace of Allah, so God will help us. Every one of us, I just use this opportunity to talk to every one of our brethren. We should pray for them that God should enter it so that it is not what we say, it is what God says about them that matters. So we should just pray for them. God bless.
Bless you too, man. Igbini na ya ni diwege na. Egwe kwakwa to anyanya jo. Anyanya je kesi very o emekwe o. They are very nice. The couples look nice, And in a Suela relationship, mama. Hello.
Hello, mommy. You're at okay.
It's outside somewhere.
Mommy. Now, question where I want to answer. Now, question where you ask, say, Ishan people, should they sleep with another master, their house, or whether they die?
Now, what's it they tell me for Paris?
Some parts, if you see that family, you still ask the woman. The man things see the heart for the man because they can't spoil the thing, say, because men go they die. Because at this time, they know what made that they die. But things go they hard for the family until the woman confess.
Bon?
So now things go they difficult, guys. The man no go they get luck as before. Things go come they hard for the family. So until the woman will use her mouth tell the husband will still forgive, and then the woman will call the family. Then the mother will pray for the woman, keep good. So like that, if the man still loves the wife, he will take him back. And that one makes me know. Thank you, Mommy.
God bless you.
Yes, ma'am.
Settlement must be, whether the devil like it or not. Una marriage na for better for worse. They kill Sakamoria. Onu Sakamoria. Even if one is just an ugly some way. Even if one because the marriage was not really. So I would not reject with it. Oh yeah, we are going. Then I will selfie. Oh yeah, Maggie Macaulay. Nido. Okay, my yammy. Why agree me yam honey? What the maga get near yam man, maybe a money ma. Oh, money ma.
Hello, mommy.
Eh, sight to what we Jimmy.
Oh, mommy. Mommy, you're a talk, babe.
We say, Lord, where would you?
Hello, and mommy, why say, no, Nima. And the only game and the boom where a salt and water ministry, a church, is connected to God.
Yes.
I get an apple here. We should have three things in mind: repentance, love.
Yes.
Do you understand? Repentance, love, and follow the way of Christ.
Okay.
Any temptation, any marriage in experience a temptation, we should learn how to forgive. Do you understand? I want to work Boko now and not Because a church in a Salt and Water Ministry is a church.
Okay.
It's a church where we practice how to forgive, how to change.
Yeah.
Emomita wo mako no we prayer here o mana confess in no cow. A prayer here and we na me.
Oh.
So oh one other by member in my I confess my mommy with me a cow. So we should be happy. Heaven is rejoicing
Yes.
for confessing our sin and changing our way. Not boy confessing my wife. You understand?
Yes.
So okay, ni go ni bo ni ma ya kule my day ma. Is that a man now? Oh man, okay, there is no okay ni ya go. 4 years ago, ni na sunu na no why no de.
Okay.
So ye na me wu ba ma o ne wo do confess so ho ni ya make na me afi gwe de dagbe ya. O me wa confess de ni ya wa gbe wa ga kwa for word on no. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder.
At all.
O salobo vien eva kugbe mana do bo hie na ya zaria Maria bosa. So o sama bo hie o makete mana na gbo aboye. So yoni mani bu we Salt and Water Ministry is a church. Please. Why di mega bo hie na me we o wo bo ma je gbe wa onari abi wa gbe wa na wona wa kwefa na wona wa. That is just ya we. My mana gbo idara gbo na. O salobo oyo hima bima. Do you understand? I'm not supporting the woman, but everybody have sinned and conscious of the glory of God. If you repent, heaven rejoice.
Okay.
Let's forgive her and give her another chance.
Okay.
Mommy, you're a talk by where's the mom?
Bye-bye.
Bye, mommy.
So, let's say, I'm not going to zaza when a program is swing. If you know, say you're not finished. If you don't say your Oliver, you don't try have your own tomorrow. 10 o'clock now today. I know when I come here Saturday and I'm here to pray for my Oliver. Every Friday. Now today bless her. Anointing oil. You go put salt for inside and your life will never be the same again. Okay? Who never gets her, you the miss so. Every Friday, now to the blesser. Now free. Now you go buy by yourself. This one is not even up to €2. They're not anything from God. They're not the seller. Now free. Okay. Sorry, now you said to my 2 hours here. Temokba. Yeah, we just. I mean now. Or check him and obun. Oh, biana. Wabok biana igaro wane. It's 7 minutes. Waro wakman omugo jo won o mamugo jo obi omo pa no pia po give unless on me in a condition go pia ni jie unless wo me no jie o na hia na ka my way o ya mugo ijo no ya mugo jo cause a condition go am me we maybe no pia me na maybe so ever ya like na we marriage ka ya bi yeke. But on a gajo one, and there are many people no we jowa in so we buwa. We go piani mamma book on Orie. On a wake we book on Ari Nigeria. On my second family wage. 2 weeks a bit 3 weeks no be or massive go bewe or I will bad there we book. Sister piani mamma benoyari we. A mamma be many people are wrong. I go no that farmer no ya make bomber. It's a curse. Arigo no piano ya mugo yo. No ya mi egbewe, no ya way tradition. It's a curse. A rima have to bring the money's out. Ge mugo re la no ya mugo jo. That is called a rima. On a to sen on the oko. O piano ma sen on the oko. Oko rigo no ya mi egborin. Why down when sister? Ori Nigeria man na go no ya mi family we no ewe. A marriage ila. O ma we marriage we ore 100 years. You can do your marriage when you are 100 years. Do unuk bono iri ya migo. We no do migo jo. So saloba de ba maya. Mama gine ruja me na 63 days na abi 4 days. Maya no nwa me na be dene na be tio saloba be tinika. Maga wo okoko ni mariri u. Maga nwa me na make wo ko na yin gbe mari. Maga we ko de ni manari abosa baba. Maga nwa me na baba nu jabi ma. Kemi negi ma no reda gbe ma baba ja me na ya po leko anima. O piano no ko gino no kwali mademe maga nwa me na baba gu deme ni gesu no wiki o wa. Eri oga jebe, eri oga jebe, eri oga jebe. Wi ya wi yori. Baba nu la ho. Doja me na ya possess ni mama sona. Doja me na ya with my deliverance. Doja me na ya ki my we mi amenori my we gbe. Doja me na ya settle a marriage. Doja me na ya ki my wu na ya hama. Doja me na ya ki my we zo. Ki ma yo go le motina. E ki ma jezo la. E ki ma jezo we mi po. E ki ma we jezo ya supo no de. Baba nu la ho. Ju gwe ya gwe ma. Wo ba no so ba wo ge no so ge. Ugwe koma no ja we ju we mi ro pa logo. Baba we si. Ekpo me wuro mo kenu. Iga nwa me na baba bobe ga kokun ne gian. Keke nu ri aje o nu neru na. We kegia no gire tak mo we. Uga nwa me na tu ka gbera yan. Kegia no de gbe we de. Uga nwa me na tu ka gbera yan. Uma e no popo wo ma e no solo we gbe. Uga nwa me na te ku ga mu yan. E ti o salo ba le tenika. Maga nwa me na o da ma ga uwe. Egia ya fefe no gwalo mo teme ga nwa me na wa ya ga di. Egia Kenya no gbe ni ga lo ta wi titi ga nwa me na ga li ekewe titi. O pe ani no ko gino we ni e do pa nítorí la dia na jo. Iga nwa me ni ka o ga dogu ejo. Igi o wa we ga kin baby. E ta gbon we ga kin baby. Ri o ga je be cho sa lo ba be tenika. Amena ga zese yan me gbere. Iga nwa me na baba le baba ko da do ga ne ru o ga wherever you are pray your prayer. Pray your prayer. Iga nwa me na Jesu Kristi no mi amafa o pe ari no ko gino no gi gwa lo mezo. Baba iwe nu ya heru moyi. Ge ra ketin pa no ga de fieti. E ge mi o go be dagbon e. We ti Jesu Kristi no mi amafa. He said. So, my brothers and sisters, every day we dey do program. 7:30 tomorrow now will see me here. Wa ga video. My baby wa ga go na. Because last time, a network me wa down. Now we down. I see speaking, and I go say you don't speak. When I allow me speak, as well as say if I speak English, now you go make all those BB stars they share my video. I go de gbele am now. I go de gbele the English. Make una help me the tear. All those Igbenedion children, I beg make una the tear. Because me matter who whatever I take video ime. Ama we to why am we wo. Salobo weso. O saloba gele bless my ya wona. Maya fefe. O saloba gele bless ma. O saloba gele ti maya mu. O saloba gele rukpa yimabo. O saloba gele yekwe mwegia. O saloba gele o gele begi maya jowe. Imi ayi wazo. E don't know what we lamu ni wa we zo. Cause wa goni na. O saloba we ni zo e betere. But I want to do first segment. We need to say ehin. God bless you all. God bless you. God bless you. Omano ore YouTube. Oh, tag with thumbs up. Oh, mass omano weme. Yeah. Oh, mass omano weme. Adobe mass omano suse. Adobe mass omano humi. Thumbs up. Talk egbe rai. Ona me thumbs up. Avian ma meeting like YouTube. Avian ma meeting me one have a YouTube. Iya be agi o ma go ma be wait thumbs up. Wa neru na gbon ma wa. Wa neru we have aro ne ba wa be wait thumbs up. A thumbs up I me na me bo. Awa be ya we form. Because all see and osaloba ma na meeting bless wa. A YouTube ni me ye one day ya me subscriber 1,000. How many days in na one bu me yeti because of una wicked man, because of what I me matter why he be or woman mama or who no na ma ma why set me ma we need Jesus Christ no me mafa why set ma even na ta say ukpe man gba we no dojo who wa dojo o ma no wait thumbs up o ma so no gbeti o ma so no okezo pa o lapa o ma so no je so yari e bai ado ma so no ra o ma so no records o ma no wait thumbs up o ma so no gebo o ma sa ogmaje O masse manire ye ni rugboni. Ya masse ya. Abe ba no ta we thumbs up in YouTube. Cause in win egbe emu. In win egbe we mana mu we ba we mi a o ya te thumbs up. Do wa man wine. Why when a wagon no saloba do bless you? O saloba bobege oboye wata. Thumbs up is just it's like a form. Amigo way. Take thumbs up. Because some people value that thumbs up more than money, man. Because here when you know, here maja ojige government, here when you win a normal job. Here that demon talk more better. On my job with YouTube. Okay. Abo amabe moto ni yafi. Wano je thumbs up ya giya. Wa make boy. Aba lalu no abe. Abe mani mamie no gie no mie. What is thumbs up? Also, wana. Hello, sighting where?
Come on, me, mommy. Come on, me. Come on, me, devil. Come on, me. Mommy.
Give it.
It's your mother was a dog by fine away. You went 6 months here. So, not the I spend in my 1 hour when he call it life with you. And then ya calling. You know, mommy, hospital. So, next year, my soul, come on, me.
Where 6 months we are beer. I may be 6 months here.
The mature ya so in the highest seniors in the Mikau, a prayer party when not a look for our own. So you can have done as more down the so it might take a real momona yet, dear momona you were. It might take a real momona you keep the it might take a mona go let's see ya. There no Mikau, Metofia, the Nena. Ya when it's decided to them. Iga ama ina ko ana ukibera me uwe January utalia mame una moko ina we prayer point ina amneru nave mani kwalomo so ana to so ene to ana to so me se ide so ama so bena ko ina we ukibera me o be lati you maybe ama Uwe coronavirus ni agboya na aru wa malatia after 6 months ina ye hospital na we ni ya sheke kome ina we movie e kome ma polo yi se ni with the hammer
Jesus
the hospital ya we omomo we o wa seri unwe mboso jina ina we 6 months o jina ya where our mama we 3 weeks or mama iche there come jo me 3 weeks na we e come 3 weeks e come 6 months e ga very na me ya seki but yeah ya where area dai o ma polo o ma won wari opa for e 3 weeks no for me 3 weeks no ya na go okay this imagine ya na we be le va ni ve hospital ve the hospital ve diseti ya veta ina vie ia na neru na to awe a prayer point ga tie we wa se ni o ma jona we o e mo mi jore we ni ma me face ni ya face no riri asunu ina neru ite pishe ni ka ji ari ele ko yo ya neru the hospital ni awe ni ari e ya we ni mu ja ve tu kwisi ni a sheke do e si ari vai do e si wa do e si bolo na woke na to gbe to wisi hospital o dale a mami
idame anu gwa
okay na to gbe to wisi hospital le ge doctor re gbe me wa fi weri doctor we yeti ya wa mo ina metri wisi wa 3 wisi no e come 6 months wa 3 weeks wa ya moye wa ya koko na mo me 3 weeks oguya iya mana moye to pa se ti ru na ifa to ni wa moye ya meru ya fi ye tishe ni kao iri eje we bu hospital ale to ano me we de pisho no na hi iya no me ya fi nya pisho ya iri eje ko iwe ni abu mere wabumere iga kọli wee someke not na me fetile so ya ne do moi ya ge moi me ma beze ne no mo etui ya beze ọmọna wa etui o metiri wisi na na be to te na wa ya koko na moi imi ayi telefe hospital
o metiri wisi
wa ya koko
etiri wisi be ki ọmọ ne
ima gbe wa bo re aktere wisi ki ọmọ ne na oke mone
tiri wisi
ina wa ya koko na mo imi ayi telefe make da for me ma do I courage me worry ave do I wa ye worry wo ke ma eri adu na do awe prayer ya we prayer we ya tu te mi ka o ide de mi ma de do ma be bo mi ati ogo mi me ogo ni ga ifie ogo money ogo gogo wa ti ogogo wa ti ri ro na we iwe agwụmegwana eti ya voice we process edede no ina agwụmegwana ogwe kebiro kpawo money ogogo no egwori ni ya rama obi pa ide kwere gbe prayer ide kwere gbe prayer ede na de kwere gbe to mi ti sen edede obere ogwe ni ga gi wa gbe ni agwe ni amu enwere ni ya amune so ni amye ne nwe ti ya ni ga so money ani ya go ga hie Baba, or money down one, you walk it. It would have better to if you are prayer again.
One cut a shot or say, Osaloba was say, matter what Tiri with you know, or Tiri with 6 months, you know, 6 months.
6 months, mommy.
Tiri with
6 months. 6 months, my mama, yes, 6 months. Amo la jato etui.
3 weeks.
Etui momo yeko. Ni amo la jato etui.
Where the picture?
Ma?
Ume picture gege ni amo la jato. Snap a picture.
Mo la jato.
Send him the picture. Send him the picture because 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Then check a daughter for me, father for me. I call now. But the phone was your network.
Maybe not.
Check a daughter for me. Father for me. I said that, Papa now.
Maybe 3 months. 3 weeks.
Mommy.
We send the area. Na mata ya 3 weeks omomo wa o wa yan omomo na be 3 weeks sage 3 weeks ma hello we me we sisuma ogun me mu egbe yo mu eyeko we 3 weeks no
hello mommy
how you na dey now low your side hello how na dey? To be here the time when that boy they talk.
Yes, I hear what they talk.
May your husband cool in mind. You know, see, you don't even live in a family. Tete.
Are you?
So you not talk bad thing.
No, my husband, I put for the matter. No, not me for me. Now he they do the matter. Or the first boy say talk like this. Let me do. If you don't talk, you don't get to water you again. Now he they put for the matter. It's not small matter before now he come make a high like this.
What if it's small matter? Give me phone. Give me phone. Small matter. What if it's small matter? Because say you open you told you shower. Now be small matter. What if it's small matter?
No call your wife Achawo.
At the pocket of wife. Give me. George. Say na small matter. What is small matter? Hello, mommy.
Hello, my brother. I say to be here with your friend. They talk, Nana.
He tell me. He say, if he still can't call us, he still call me again.
Okay.
He still call me after I talk to you. He still call. Now she force her, may fuck her. What is small matter? You don't know what it be. Say another man dey fuck your wife. You and the man they eat together for the same house. You go serve me and the man food. I go to eat. No be abomination with that. Hello.
Yes, not true.
You
don't do. May you fuck.
May you pray, oh, may you pray. Yeah. May you pray, oh, may you pray for her. Make things better.
You go better.
May you pray. Make things better.
You go better.
Make things better, oh. Make things better.
You go better.
I don't tire.
I beg.
I don't tire. I don't tire. I no fit bear am. 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 I no fit bear am.
Hello.
Hello, oni se o eyan na le levan no wa ku lori ore. We ni meta mu we na. Oga o eyan na we.
Na he bota ye.
Mi azesan. We ku lori ore. Veni ye wata na we. Veni ye wata na we ma sati bioi. Veni ye wata na we ma ti bioi. We amori ori oto. Ele levan no. Wo amori ori oto. Weta me no pia ni o si no pia na ya yiti la ni yen tamosio no pia na ya yiti la nu wa
na ho
nwa ni ta so amo ori ori oto
me ni ta
amo ori oto wa
me just go the nemo for because me ma gwa lezo agele me ma gwa lezo o da me o mu go yimo because me just want no question because I'm going to na mu ko yimo
am we go jawo hu we 4 children am we go jawo we 4 children
me just go me meta na de kanya ga doni ori meru mistake no na meta ni we mu ko yimo ma to na ni de ga doni ori meru
Why wab your men and no be I? Why wab your men and no be I? I'm going to go 1 minute. Oh, men, sister. Why one the look behind the men?
Look. I'm going to go because now I met her in Martin. What had done or meru. Let me mistake me all forgive me because I look like a good man. Now, good man. I don't know how me hot. Now, good man. Meru mistake no forgive him na imoto me kama get meru ke me no forgive him o ba mo ko yimo
ama
hello mama
I forgive you when me ya gugu egwan na rugu ya lele ya wata ori e ma be be no isunu na wa lo bi yi opa wa ye were gbe lo bi ye be je opa wa lo bi ye be je opa wa koko lo bia kuku gbe
na ho
wa lo bia kuku gbe o lo bia yiwo gugwe anytime no ya mo we akula orion won
hello
ata ma gugwe we mo we love you wa mo orion yo to ko akwa wa ti eme wa iva Ode 11. Mona call me around 11 tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, now bye-bye.
Okay. No.
Hello, God bless you.
Hello, mommy, give us a prayer.
He said, "Why lo inside you what?"
Come, mommy. Okay, hello, Ene. Come, mommy. Mommy, I take the testimony.
Madam, yo.
Okay. Ira re mi na next ya ina doje itani yesike alero na do moyo to ko na do munya iri mi na ma
ya go
i de picture ni to ko na ina do munya fe na do lobi na do ari mi na ina zuzu ize zuzu mi na ni zuzu na do zuzu do ra okwopa izuzo wa hwopa ona do Chineke gbe ona do mu meye woge ona do ayobo i rikuyo megbere won me ebe ka ku no ye ne party fian la oboni san do yobo ciel ya jiya ese on to isi type on to join me say on to ayi borrow mo on to move menya ipe na we ni e worry na we o jeri wa ya ra
Ìwé káàdì.
Wa like one.
Sáàtì wẹ̀. Ọbẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn. Ọlọ́run ní ìbànú tí máa mi ta bá ẹ̀ bàbá mi lẹ́nu yàtọ̀ ní wàgó ìwé lè tún owó yìí o. Ọ̀pọ̀ máa ń wọlé wọ̀ wọ́n ìwé ọdún lẹ́la ìdíjú ẹ̀ fún mọ́. Nígbà tí ó yà mí ra ẹ̀rù wá. Bueno rero ọmọmúròyọ̀ wọ̀hún bí ọmọ nene ọmọmúròyọ̀ wọ̀hún every month ọdún ilé rà gẹ́gẹ́ àbíjú ẹ̀wọ̀ wáyé àríyọ ọmọmúròyọ̀ wọ̀hún wọ́n ṣe ṣe wọ́n àtọ́pẹ́ ìwé lábẹ́.
Hello, mommy, you're cousin. Osati, both are mommy. Anywhere where they learn, may watch you with it at night.
Hello, God bless you. Hello. Hello, God bless you.
God bless you. Good evening. Good morning.
God bless you.
I watch your program now.
Lower your side, please.
Are you hearing me?
Lower the one you are using to watch me. Lower your side, lower it well.
Okay. Are you hearing me now?
Yes.
Okay, was the one who I want to contribute. That man went to shout, say your wife goes with his friend. That woman is a nuisance woman.
Hello, God bless you. I'm sorry, sir. I just cut your call. This is not the right time to talk of that. If that man kill himself tomorrow, it's not go gain. I make a peace here. Prayer line. I forgive. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Ah. Hello.
Hello, mommy. Good evening.
God bless you. Lord, the one we tell they watch me. Lord.
I don't know already.
God bless you, my brother.
Hey, mommy. Mommy, I beg you. The picture is already put on. See me you put for me.
You got the picture ni kauna ya kagbe wewe tio saloba toka bozesi mwe.
Amen.
Aga kawe baba nori e o saloba ve nori e ni kawe. O saiti we o. God bless you. Wanya alo yo ya kawe. Bye bye.
Okay.
Gbe wa. E o me magba le gbe ni bege na. Awa. Marriage na e o da won na scatter. Reje. Me mwegbe me ya tiyan every day now. Hello, ya yore bo tiyan. Ya ike ya.
Hello, mommy.
Hello, sir.
Mommy, wa talk be, mommy. Hello, mommy. Wa talk be. Ma be. Hello. Mommy.
Idamiyo.
Ya na ka we. Ya gbere amamu. Ore e manipu. Ori ya eto. Mebe mi gbe mi na le Nigeria o e ma na o we ro ru da no na le kanu ye ni bu ni ma to rian kini ya to 3 ya oriyan ya ni guan ni wa do ya ni jo ni oriyan gbe me mi en bu wa na ni so ni agbe na hiwo because emi la sunu ban ya no gun ya kokko mo mi la 3 Yeah, ni are here then you when you are stop ni are because because oriyan ya gbe when you are kamata when any bulla ya ni aveni ka ojo we de mi no sunu da ge na re o ma sunu da ya abeg when you are gbe na iwo mommy wa talk me only way go see.
Hello, God bless you. Hello, from Italy. Wala wo and then I guy where they don't anybody be me or be me topic no mure wa be mulaza wa get maduema wa any topic be mo gwelazia wa gi ma forget me na da do ga mo ga lazia wa ga forget me na wala wo ko wesi So that don't know right pe la dia. No again ye me ni abeta. Mommy give me pass through. Ge have a question zawa. Cause Evana, I even know a court. Evana prayer line. Evana aleni wo. Ebi ya fe na ri anyagmo. E ya re mana. Wo ma be mo kere wa mi be na ya be mo kere be la topic of it. So even like the main topic even because ya dey no pa the topic even rari orere. Oh baso mi ame. Akwa arebe do agwale e corner nezoje ni mi ya me viewers. Agwala agwalogo. Agwale ke nezoje ara o wa yo to. Me o ise ti du gbo ni. Ije mi awo even ije me je ke akoko da mi. Hello, God bless you from America. The 3 weeks baby. Hello, Jay, o side we. Lani we. Iyo.
Iwo ni sama awo ni na bia o wese gbe na o edu na o wese ko. Wese je. Ko ye.
Sano.
Ko ye. Ni o je wese. Wese je.
O side we.
Ina we ni se
3.
Oh, amare lani. O de me na mi egwu I watch. Hello.
Hello, nse na talk pe.
Ise.
Oba talk pe.
Ise.
Oye, me ka we worry we bia o.
Yo, Sawese. Yo,
Ila we hospital we ya call imagine no ya gwa ima oli do agbodan yo do atawe ya call na ima metanet o se mama call so so wani.
Sawese, glory be to God. Uga mo je mu yenye be gbo mo na o. O salobo no we no talk about we na ekpoli eke ya fefefe. Ekpoli eke ya ga won amuwa ya ga bia momo mi un.
Mi se.
Site we. Hello, God bless you. Hello. Hello.
Because it's not here, and they try to call you living money on you.
Hello.
Hello, come on me.
Sighting we.
Come on me. La me topic me o ti o ni remember we go ayo.
Mtata no gi anzaza jowo bo.